Love you.
And if you're thinking about adopting a cockatiel other than Butcher Peaches, this may help you do it.
Oh, this is the one I love right here.
Aww. She has a sweet face.
Oh, you're so eager. Oh, you're... Oh, the bratty bird. Hey.
We started out and only one bird would eat out of your hand through the cage bars. Now I feel like
That's pretty good progress.
it's been a long time, but I'm just delighted because they are watching each other and learning from each other. And decades ago, there was a literature debate about whether they learn to mimic or imitate, that sort of thing, where that falls in terms of cognitive ability. So this is just fun because they've learned from watching each other.
Come here, buddy. Yeah.
Isn't he pretty?